Exploring the harmonica holder, a unique musical accessory. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic, the harmonica holder. This might sound like a simple device, but it's an essential tool for many musicians. Stay tuned as we explore what a harmonica holder is, its uses, and its significance in music. The harmonica holder is a device used by musicians, specifically harmonica players. It's designed to hold the harmonica in place, allowing the musician to play it hands-free. This is particularly useful when the musician is playing another instrument simultaneously, like a guitar or keyboard. The holder is typically made of metal or plastic and is adjustable to fit various harmonica sizes. It's worn around the neck and positions the harmonica comfortably in front of the mouth. The harmonica holder has a rich history in music. Originally, harmonica players held the instrument in their hands. The invention of the holder revolutionized the way the harmonica was played, giving rise to new musical styles and techniques. Over the years, the design of harmonica holders has evolved, becoming more ergonomic and user-friendly. Many renowned musicians have famously used the harmonica holder. Artists like Bob Dylan and Neil Young are known for their skill in playing the harmonica with a holder while strumming a guitar. This dual-instrument approach has become a signature style for some musicians, contributing significantly to their unique sound and stage presence. Using a harmonica holder is relatively straightforward. The key is to adjust it so that the harmonica sits comfortably and securely. The musician should be able to easily reach the harmonica with their mouth without straining. Proper positioning ensures better control and sound quality when playing. The harmonica holder may seem like a small accessory, but it plays a big role in the world of music. It's not just a tool. It's a bridge that connects different musical elements, allowing artists to express themselves in diverse and creative ways. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the harmonica holder and its place in music history. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.